Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Persistence token. Persistence has broken out very significant resistance of a symmetrical triangle on the daily time frame, and now it is going to break out another resistance of a very big wedge as well. And in today's video, we will discuss the target about this move. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it first. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's start this analysis. First of all, let me to show you this big wedge pattern that has been formed on the daily time frame. By the way, this triangle is also formed on the daily time frame. We will also discuss this triangle as well. But let's begin with this big wedge that the price line has formed. And you can see that this is the support resistance of this very big falling wedge pattern. And here we have the support. The price line was testing the resistance more than the support. You can see we have few tests, even though we have several touch points here, but we have a very big gap. And then price line tested the support here in December, on 14th of December. And you can see that we have several touch points here, a lot of touch points here at the resistance as well. We have some tests here, we have several tests here, and right now the price line is again moving to test the resistance after getting bounced by this support. Therefore, there is a really very high probability for the breakout from this wedge. So far, this breakout has not happened, but I'm expecting that soon it will happen. Why? Because at the same time, while it is moving at the end of this wedge, it is getting squeezed. It has broken out another triangle on the same daily live time frame chart. This is the triangle that has been formed on the same daily live time frame chart. If I place this trend line here at the same chart, then you can watch that this triangle has been formed between or inside this falling wedge pattern, and the price line is breaking out. Now we are this is the 4-hourly time frame, not the daily time frame, and here we are watching the daily live time frame chart. Now on the 4-hourly time frame, we can see that the price line is above the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Now if we take a look at the target for this triangle, then our next expected target can be, if I'll place it here at the breakout point, this trend line, that can be approximately $7. Now, if the price line is going to do so, then definitely it is going out of the resistance of the wedge very soon, because you can see that the resistance is coming approximately at $5.50. So if it will hit $7, then it can even break out this next resistance of $6.55 as well. We also have a very strong resistance of 100 daily simple moving average above this resistance. And after that, we will have the next resistance at $8.3. And our final resistance will be approximately here at, not the final resistance, but this is really very strong resistance. Final resistance will be approximately here at $14. And our next resistance will be at $9.56. And I'm expecting that after breaking out this level, the price line will make a very powerful attempt to break out the final resistance of $14. And don't forget this support. This is really very strong support we have here at $4.35. Now, if we are going to trade this pattern, then we should use this support below this support. We should set below this support as our stop loss. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.